This car is a Honda HR-V, 2019. Engine 1.8 cc. The problem with the car is that when you shift the gear to the D position and reverse position to drive the car does not move in any direction. The CVT transmission fluid of the car gearbox must be used HCF2. How to solve the problem of the car not moving when shifting any gear? What is the reason for the problem that the car cannot be driven in any direction or does not move? Watch the full video step by step to see how I solve this car problem. I extend my sincere greetings and congratulations to you on behalf of this channel. Now I entered the car to start the engine. I am showing you the problem with the car. First, I turned the ignition key switch to the on position. Now I will start the car engine. After starting the car's engine, check to see if the dashboard meter, ABS control, steering wheel, and handbrake warning lights are on. The car can be driven even if all these warning lights are on. Look, this car doesn't go into drive or reverse. I put the gear shift in drive position and then when I press the fuel accelerator, the car doesn't move forward a bit. When I put the car's gear shift in reverse and press the accelerator, the car doesn't even move backwards. I will check with the ISCAN computer to see if there are any fault codes in the transmission gearbox. To check the engine code, I clicked on engine, then clicked on red fault codes and saw that there were no fault codes. I will click on automatic transmission to test with scan computer, then click on read fault code. See, automatic transmission gearbox has no fault code. Now I will check the ABS fault code. There is an ABS fault code. But the car can be driven even if there is an ABS fault code. I turned off the ignition switch of the car. I will go outside and check from inside the car. I checked the car's transmission gear select cable, there is no problem. Now I will check the transmission fluid level to see if it is okay or not. I checked that the car's transmission fluid level was okay. Now I will remove the transmission fluid and remove the transmission gearbox oil pan to check. I took out the CVT transmission fluid. Look, the CVT transmission fluid has turned black because it hasn't been changed for a long time. I have removed the CVT transmission fluid lid. Now I will remove the CVT transmission gearbox oil pan. Look, I opened and took out the oil pan of the CVT transmission gearbox. Look, the steel belt of the CVT transmission gearbox is broken. Look inside the oil pan and see what happened to the chain of the CVT gearbox. That's why the CVT transmission gearbox is not able to do any work. Even after changing the gear, the car is not move. If the CVT transmission gearbox chain broken, be sure to repair the gearbox or replace the gearbox. So Honda HR-V car, now I will open the CVT transmission gearbox and take it out. In the picture, I opened the transmission gearbox and took it out. I will send it to a gearbox repair shop to repair the gearbox. After 2 days, Honda CVT transmission gearbox has been repaired and brought back. Now I will install this CVT transmission gearbox on the car engine.
Ada di situ. Oke.
Having completed the installation of the CVT transmission gearbox, I will now install the new CVTF, Honda HCF2, fluid. After repairing the automatic transmission gearbox, there is no CVT fluid inside the gearbox. New CVT transmission fluid needs to be installed, 6 to 7 liters. Install 6 to 7 liters of CVT transmission fluid so that the CVT fluid level is full. Install CVT transmission fluid, start the engine, and place the gear shift in the N position. At this level, unscrew the bolt and check the fluid level. After installing the Honda CVT transmission fluid, I will now connect the negative terminal of the car battery. Now I will enter the car to start the engine and check it. How do I clear the ABS fault code? By switching the ignition key to the on position. I will clear the fault code with the scan computer, so I will click clear fault code. The fault code has been cleared. Now I will click read fault code again to see if the fault code has been cleared or not. There are no more fault codes now. The fault code has been cleared. Now I will start the car engine and see if there are any more ABS warning lights on the dashboard meter. After starting the car engine, I turned on the air conditioning and noticed that there were no more warning lights on the dashboard. Now I will test drive the car to see if it can be driven or not. I put the gear shift in reverse to get the car out of the shop. After taking it out of the shop, I put the gear shift in the D position to drive the car on the road. Now I am driving the car on the road in Shoal and now the car is running. Now there is no more problem. The problem is solved. I test drove the car, no problems. Now I'm at the car garage. I put the gear shift in the parking position. Now I have applied the parking brake. I turned off the car engine. If you have any problems understanding anything while watching the video, please comment. On behalf of this YouTube channel, I would like to extend my sincere greetings and congratulations to you for watching the video.